This week's all about Minnesota, Maine, Colorado, North Carolina, and Broadway. All four of those states have months of bitter fighting to look forward to, with millions of dollars likely to be spent on both sides. Fortunately, we've got a secret weapon: Morgan Freeman. I'm Matt Baum, and welcome to Marriage News Watch for August 22nd, 2011.
Marriage News Watch is made possible by Marriage Equality USA. If you're getting married, you can make Marriage Equality USA your donation gift beneficiary at marriageequality.org/gifting. By Carbonated, a creative agency. And by viewers like you.
I have to apologize for another low-res video this week. There is a lot going on, and I'm rushing to get this one out the door on deadline. But we should probably get used to weeks like this, because we have 15 more months left before the 2012 elections, and fights are already heating up all over the country. In Minnesota, the battle over an anti-gay constitutional amendment could cost upwards of $10 million. Big donors are already lining up, and last year the National Organization for Marriage alone spent nearly $750,000 in Minnesota. By the way, if you're wondering what NOM got for their money, the answer is nothing. Their candidates lost. Visit Outfront.org to help out in Minnesota, and take a few minutes to spread the word to family and friends who you might have in the state. Meanwhile, campaign machinery is already in motion in North Carolina. Phone banks in Asheville are already up and running and targeting legislators who haven't stated their position on a law that would ban not just marriage, but civil unions as well. Visit equalitync.org to help out in North Carolina, and remember to spread the word to any friends and family you might have in that state. Signature gathering just started this week in Maine, where they're likely to face a referendum to repeal the marriage ban that was passed in 2009. They have just over 4 months to gather 80,000 signatures. The National Organization for Marriage was just dealt a setback in Maine, with the First Circuit Court of Appeals ruling that the organization is required to disclose its donors in its 2010 election campaign. Now, they're likely to appeal that ruling, or at least attempt to appeal it, and it's too early to tell if the issue will be resolved in time for the 2012 election. Visit whymarriagemattersmaine.com to help out in Maine, and of course, don't forget to spread the word to family and friends that you have in Maine. A new survey out this week shows that 71% of Coloradans favor legal recognition for gay and lesbian couples. That includes 44% of Republicans who support civil unions. We're likely to see a civil unions bill in the 2012 legislative session. Visit equalrightscolorado.org to find out how you can help there, and as always, tell your family and friends. And finally this week, the cast was announced for Dustin Lance Black's new play 8, based on the Proposition 8 trial of last year. The play debuts next month at the Eugene O'Neill Theater with a special one-night-only reading headlined by Morgan Freeman, Rob Reiner, Marissa Tomei, Cheyenne Jackson, and Anthony Edwards, among other A-list stars. Visit AFR.org/8 to find out more about the play and to get tickets. Visit us over at marriagenewswatch.com for more on all these stories and more. You can sign up for daily email alerts to get all of these headlines, and you can connect with us on Facebook and Twitter so you're always in the loop. We'll see you next week.
Marriage News Watch is made possible by Marriage Equality USA. If you're getting married, you can make Marriage Equality USA your donation gift beneficiary at marriageequality.org/gifting. By Carbonated, a creative agency. And by viewers like you.